Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro. And in your RV, you really want to protect your systems that you have, right? The electrical system, plumbing system, air conditioning, all of it, you want it to work really well. Well, an accumulator tank is something that can really help your water system work well. So what it is an accumulator tank is a water chamber with a pre-pressurized internal air bladder. That sounds weird, but I'll explain. So when you install these on the pressurized side of the water pump, they help to dampen pressure spikes and reduce pump cycling, increasing the life of your pump and saving your battery power as well. So if you're a weekend warrior, you might not need this as much, but if you're serious about the RV life, or you travel a lot and you're really in your RV a lot, you're gonna want this to protect your water system and keep it working well for longer. So this RecPro RV accumulator tank with barbed fittings, the code for it is 1032, RP 1032, that is, and it is made specifically for drinking water applications. So it's safe for you to drink out of it. Well, not directly out of it, but through your water pipes. You know what I mean. All right, so this is made specifically for drinking water applications, made from FDA safe material. So you can put it in your freshwater system and you don't need to worry about whether it's safe to get some tap water from the faucet. All right, so when used with your water pump to control these fluctuations, it provides very quiet and smooth delivery of the water to your faucet. The pre-pressurized tank should be set to about 3 psi below your water pump's cut-in pressure and connected to the outlet of the pump in order to optimize usage and reduce the strain on your plumbing system and your battery. So the dimensions of this is about 5 inches wide by 4.5 inches high by 7 3/4 inches deep. It has an inlet of 1/2 inch and an internal volume of 3/4 liter. The max operating pressure is 125 psi. That's quite a lot. So it comes with 2 1/2-inch barbed fittings, and it is easily fitted to a new or existing system. So like I said, you might not need it if you're only using your RV a lot, or if you're only using your RV a little. But if you're using an RV a lot, it can really save you a lot of trouble down the line. And it works with any 1/2-inch water pump lines you have. So if you want to find out more, just click the link below, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.